What's up, guys? This is your boy Polish Bullet, and today is a very sad day for my Elantra N. No, I didn't blow any transmission or engine or nothing like that. It's even worse. My splitter broke. My front splitter broke, and I'm kind of bummed about it. It happened in the morning. I tried to stop by and grab a coffee real quick, and I literally touched the freaking curb, and the thing just splits on the bottom. The splitter splits. You know what I mean? So let me show you what happened, and maybe you guys have any solutions, or is it possible to just exchange the part? You know what I mean? So yeah, let me show you real quick. Alrighty, guys. So check this out. This whole thing broke over here. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it all the way from here up to here. Just opened up. I don't know if this piece is replaceable, or it seems like maybe, but I'm not sure. Maybe you guys got any solutions to help me out. I don't know. I was thinking about maybe screwing it down like this, or put some glue in it. See, because you can put it in place. It just splits right at the edge over here. It's just, I don't know. I'm just pissed off. As you guys can see, the whole thing got messed up even more. I don't know, let me close on it a little bit. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It happens. I daily drive the car. It's my fault, obviously. I mean, they didn't have to put the freaking 8-inch curbs in front of the freaking Starbucks, but it's my fault. I just got too close and I got burned. So yeah, if you guys got any solutions for that, let me know. I mean, maybe we can figure out this thing together. Nothing else broke from what I see. It's just this thing over here. Yeah, I mean, it happens. It happens to the best. So we're gonna have a little bit more content coming. I already ordered tires. They got delivered a couple days ago. I'm gonna show you what I'm putting on my stock rims for the winter, the size and brand and everything. So maybe you can get an advice from me or whatever. I'm gonna make a quick, cool video about it. Unusual tire change. You guys gonna like it for sure. So yeah, that's all what I want to share today. And I mean, what can you do, right? So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. The drill. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you guys ever see my hat. What is it over here? My Polish Bullet hat. It's not a merch, okay? I just made one just for myself long time ago. So that's what I'm wearing to work right now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.